We're still in the boatyard in these videos, but today we're I hand over my sander because I just can't take it anymore. My back is gone. It's just not working, and you know, found a different solution, some blasting. So great company came out, blasted the hull. You'll see that. If you need some blasting, whatever it may be, he does the wet blasting, so you know, dustless blasting. So it's a very professional service. And also, my wife says I need to change out the girly dinghy davit pulleys. She said they weren't built for the task.
I didn't feel like they were.
So we changed those out. We went the 4 pulley, so it's 8 times the pulling force versus 6. So it did make it easier to pull up the dinghy. I am not impressed with the line on these, but that's an easy fix. So without that, so let's get into this video. Okay guys, so having trouble powering our nav station, which is this tablet, from our helm. So we picked up this little USB and C-type connector. Hopefully you can see it there, from Amazon. I'll leave a link down below, but we're going to install this in the place of the cigarette lighter that was already on the boat and get us some power out to our helm. Okay, excuse the mess, but I've already removed our cigarette lighter, and our yellow is our positive, our blue is our negative. It does include wiring, so you don't have to do it this way, and it also includes a mount if you don't have like a cigarette type hole cut already. So I'm just going to install this. I'm going to pull this back out. I've got these turned off, I believe. Let me see. Negative, positive. Yeah, turned off. Good. That would be a shocking experience coming out. And then I'm going to take and stick their ring on top of it. Pull this through the hole. Okay, yellow is positive, blue is negative for this. I tested this with a multimeter. And shove it in the hole like that. And now we have a Type C connector. And I'll just tighten it up from the back and you get the gist. Let me turn it on. There's the rocket.
You'll not believe how hard this is to get off.
Guys, I wouldn't wish this on anybody, but it's the progress.
So on Tuesday, we're having this
sandblaster
blasted. Did you move that thing?
No, I didn't. That's the original where they moved them and painted.
Oh, well,
Yeah.
they didn't even do a good job.
No, they didn't do a good job. There was another one right there I already sanded over.
These people were ridiculous.
Okay, so guys, this little Chinese sander held up better than I did. My back is gone, but so far, this is how far I got. Not the, like I said, the sander holds up, just not me. So, I've got a different solution. And see if this one's approved. Hey guys, I'm here with Central Florida Dustless Blasting, and this guy's going to sand my boat.
I got a better idea.
What you gonna use?
I'll show you.
See, I'm clean, Grant's dirty now, but look at what I look like doing this myself. But job is well done, looks good. I have a little bit of touch up to do, but not near the work I had before. I thank you, Grant.
Absolutely, my pleasure.
So, y'all, if y'all need some blasting, whatever it may be,
give me a call.
give them a call. This is the contact information. Grant, what all services do you provide?
We do paint removal, obviously, rust removal, epoxy removal, stain removal off of wooden decks. Basically, any coating, coating or covering, we can remove it.
Okay, and like horse trailers, you work on horse trailers, you work on car frames.
Yep, a lot of car frames.
Anything that's metal,
Yep.
or anything that has paint on it or rust, you can handle.
Absolutely.
Okay, and don't be this guy and be all doing this by yourself. Call a professional.
I got you.
My back is killing me, but he's saved me a lot of time. Okay guys, so I'm gonna replace my dinghy pulley system. This right here, it's a 3-pulley system, and my wife says it looks too dainty to be pulling up the dinghy with the engine on it. With this is a 4-pulley block, and a lot beefier cable, be a lot easier on my hands than the other one was. Now when you open the box, it comes with a pair of gloves, rope or line, and your pulley system. Now these hooks are about the same size as the other hooks. The metal here looks pretty thin. Should get a few seasons out of this. But the rope should be very easy to pull up, and the pulley system itself will make it much easier because it's an 8-to-1 versus a 6-to-1. Now when you look at the way they connect it in, this one's not tied on. It's got this loop deal, which I guess is great, but a standard bowling would do fine. And then your hook all the way down there. Excuse my boat, it's a mess. We're in a boat yard. To connect this up, I'm just going to take this top loop off and just tie it onto the other one. Pretty simple. Okay guys, so I got this on and got the dinghy up, and I can say that it's easier to pull, but the rope itself right here, or the line, is a little slick. So in that clasp, it doesn't hold very well, and it can be a little slick on your hands. This is from the future in the water, but let's go back to the boatyard now. Okay guys, we're still in the hard. My baby's cooking dinner.
I'm making my slow cooker curry chicken. If you guys haven't tried that, it is so yummy. But I didn't get it on in time in the slow cooker, but you can also do it on the stovetop. I've tried it on the stovetop too. You just have to cook it for like, it's probably going to be a couple hours of slow cooking on the stovetop.
Yep, and that induction cooktop, so much cooler.
Yeah, it's hot in this here. It's hot in here. So that's what it looks like right now. But it's got to cook for a while. Got to cook, and then we're going to put it over rice.
And there's our dog. She's just waiting for us to come out. Okay guys, hopefully you enjoyed this video, and yeah, the dirty jobs are coming to an end, so we'll be back to sailing soon, but
Or motoring.
But
it's kind of hard to sail in the ICW.
yes, it's really tight. Lots of crack pipes or crab pods
are everywhere right now. It's going to be a landmine just trying to get out of here.
So, yeah, those are fun, but Also, check out this girl's recipe. She's back in the kitchen. Got her back to work. So
I've been in the kitchen. I just hadn't been filming.
So yeah, her latest video, the meatballs, oh, it was good. Tasted like pickle hamburgers. So they were really good. Y'all check them out. If you like this video, it's down there. Looks like this. If you like our channel, go ahead and subscribe, also down there. And be sure to leave comments, feedback, you know, tell us you know, what we did wrong or how bad we suck. Or you can leave good feedback, that's more appropriate, but we know there's some of y'all out there. And with that, y'all please take care.
Bye.